Idiom is a phrase or expression whose meaning can't be understood from the ordinary meaning of the words. It gives the figurative meaning that differs from the literal meaning of the words. It amplifies the message. It helps to draw the reader's attention. For example, give a big hand. It does not mean giving a big hand. It means to clap for a performance. Let us use this word. Let's give them a big hand after a program, a music concert. A student or a girl is singing very nicely. The judge announced the audience to do. Let's give them a big hand. The audience claps for the performer. Next one, cold feet. It does not mean the feet are cold. It means a person feeling nervous. He feels cold feet before attending the interview. We can see the meaning of the word from the picture. Next one, red-handed. After doing a wrong thing, he caught immediately with the evidence. The police caught the thief red-handed. Next one, cold shoulder. Ignore someone. We can understand from the picture. She gave me cold shoulder. Next one, have a sweet tooth. It does not mean having a sweet tooth. She is fond of eating sweets. So, we can call that girl. She eats 3 cakes a day. She has a sweet tooth. Next one, a finger in every pie. One person involved in many activities at a time. We can say, the businessman seemed to have a finger in every pie. In this picture, the businessman who is writing something and he is viewing the papers and also he is attending the phone call. Next one, keep your hair on. It means stay calm. A man who broken the flower vase. So he says, keep your hair on. I will replace the broken vase. Next one, a sight for sore eyes. It does not mean sore in the eyes. It means very happy to see. Good to see you, Julie. You are a sight for my sore eyes. Next one, pain in the neck. It does not mean a feeling of pain in the neck. It means an irritating work. This man feeling irritated on writing the long essays. Writing essays on uninterested topics is a pain in the neck. Next one, be all ears. Meaning, listen attentively. Kids in my class were all ears when I was telling them a story. The students all are attending the class very attentively. Today we have seen the idioms related to our body parts. You can tabulate in various headings. For example, idioms related to sports, idioms related to colors, etc. Thereby, you can develop your English word power. Thank you. Thank you very much.